Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be going over how you can use your iPhone as a document camera on a Windows machine. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of technology tutorials just like this one. So in case anyone needs a refresher, I'll put up on top of the cards here on how to use your iPhone as a document camera on a Mac. That can be found up top. And anyone who's interested in using their Android phone as a document camera, that can be found up top as well. But today's video is on how to use your iPhone as a document camera on a Windows machine. So this is mainly for teachers who they don't have a document camera, they want to use it for their students, just so they can show them things virtually. So really, the only thing that you need to have is Zoom. You need to be on a Windows laptop, which I am right now, and make sure that your laptop and your iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi. So if you're at home, just make sure they're on the same Wi-Fi network and you're good to go. So the first thing you want to do is log into Zoom. So I have it right here. I'm going to open it. Then you're going to click on New Meeting. And then you're going to click on, you can join with computer audio, that's fine. You're going to click on Share Screen. Then you're going to click on iPhone and iPad right here. And just click on Share. So this window will pop up. It'll basically give you the instructions right here. It says connect to Wi-Fi network, so it'll say your Wi-Fi network name. So make sure whatever Wi-Fi your laptop's on, your phone is on. Then you're going to tap screen mirroring on your iPhone. So for me, I don't know if you can really see it, but for me I can scroll up, I can tap on screen mirroring. Then number 3, it says choose Zoom. And it's maybe we'll say your name, your computer name, but it will say some type of name. And if you can see, I don't know how well you can see, but it'll say screen mirroring, and it'll say that same name right here. So I'll tap it. So right now, after I tapped it, I can share whatever is on my iPhone to my students. Now I can also, from here, talking about document camera, I can show them videos on YouTube on my iPhone. I can show them photos, but what we're looking for is the camera option right here. So as I'm sharing and I click on the camera icon, I can put this above worksheets. I can put this on top of books just to show my students things that they may need to work on. So there's just my basement. It's just a quick example how to do it, but yeah, that was just a quick video on how to use your iPhone as a document camera on a Windows machine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It was just a quick tutorial. If you guys have any more ideas that you want to learn about, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to make videos about it, and yeah, we'll go from there. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, again, just drop them below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video.